Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Organigram Holdings Inc. Now the good thing about this chart is this chart is uptrending, it has swing, and you can see a visibility of how the stock is moving over a period of time. So what we are going to discuss about is the swing, and the levels that we are going to discuss is about the stock and how it will probably move in the upcoming weeks and months, right? So let me show you in a very simple way. So the most important thing are these two levels. First of all, okay, so here we have, so these are the two most important levels. Now as you can see here, there is a breakout which has happened. So you have $2.12. This was your resistance and a breakout has happened, recent breakout, and you have your big support at $1.05, right? So 1.05 will be your last resort, but if the stock sustain above 2.12, then it will be good for the overall trend. Now how do we look at this trend? So if you analyze it, now you can see that from 2015 to 19 the stock has risen by 4,800%, and then a sharp dip has come from $7 or $8 towards $1. So the big target here will be the last high that the stock has made in the year 2019, which is 8.4, right? So this is the thing, or this is the level that you need to look at. Now if you understand the swing, then you should understand this level as well. So let me show you what the big swing tells about the trend. Okay, so this is what you can get. So if the stock sustained above 4.86, then you have a target which could probably leads you to 16.93 or $17. So that's what the big trend suggests you. So actually, rather than a point, I will give a range here, because we don't know the kind of movement. So we can't say the stock will simply go like this. It may go like this or this. That's why in between 16 or 17 to 22 or $23 on the upside. So this is the trend we are going to look at in the upcoming weeks and months, and this is a very good swing, I would say. And you will see a sharp in this kind of trend. What will happen, that once the swing will start, it can go much higher in a very short amount of time. So let's see how this trend will move, and we will take things accordingly. But let me tell you that the stock must not fall below 1.05. This will be last stop loss, and it must sustain above 2.12, which it is right now. Then we have 8.46, and after this breakout you have a bigger target which will be in between 16 and 22 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.